Winter has already started and now it's time to try something healthy plus energetic. Today we are making a winter special superfood which has the power of corn, dry fruits and makhana to reduce joint pain or bring strength to the body. If you eat one laddu every day, you will get super combo, warmth, energy and rich flavor. This isn't just a recipe, it's a full dose of winter energy. So tasty to eat that you will feel like making it again and again. So let's start the most viral and powerful recipe of winter. So first of all, here we will take half a cup of ghee in a pan, and as soon as the ghee heats up, we will fry gond in it. So here I have taken 1/4 cup of gond. From this we will add half of the gond into the ghee and fry it by flipping continuously until it becomes crispy from both sides. We will fry it on absolutely low flame so that it doesn't stay raw from inside and doesn't burn from outside. When the gond is fried well, we will take it out from the ghee and the remaining gond will also be fried in the same way. Keep it aside and when it cools down later grind it. Now in this leftover ghee we will fry dry fruits. So here I have taken 1 full cup of mixed dry fruits like cashews, almonds and pistachios. You can take any dry fruits of your choice. We will also keep the stove flame completely low and stir continuously and fry the dry fruits well until they become crunchy. So take them out and cool them and later grind them coarsely. Don't make a fine powder. Now again in the same remaining ghee, we will add 1/4 cup of grated dry coconut and 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds. Now roast coconut and poppy seeds for a few seconds while stirring continuously, and as soon as they change color slightly, take them out and keep aside. Again add 1 tablespoon of ghee and then we will roast makhana. So here I have taken about 1/4 cup of makhana. We will stir the makhana continuously and roast them until they become crunchy. It will take some time for them to become crunchy. So keep the stove flame absolutely low and stir continuously so that they don't burn on one side and roast well from all the sides. So as you can see, the makhana has changed color slightly. So take them out and after cooling grind them coarsely and keep aside. Now in the pan we will add half a cup of ghee again. And now take 1 full cup of wheat flour. Now we have to roast the wheat flour by stirring continuously like this. Don't increase the flame of stove, otherwise the wheat flour will burn very quickly and turn brown and the whole texture will get spoiled. So we have to be a very careful and continuous stirring and roast it until it becomes light brown in color. Then keep it aside. Now here in the pan we will add about 2 tablespoons of water and half tablespoon of ghee. Now I have taken 1 cup of jaggery. You can increase or decrease the quantity of jaggery depending on how sweet you want the laddus. After adding it to the pan, continue stirring and keep the stove flame absolutely low. Cook it until bubbles start forming like this. Once you see bubbles, switch off the flame. Now take a big bowl and add the roasted wheat flour, ground dry fruits, roasted coconut and poppy seeds, makhana, gond, 1 teaspoon dry ginger powder, quarter teaspoon cardamom powder and mix everything well. Now add the jaggery syrup that we had cooked and first mix it well using a spoon. When it becomes slightly warm and you feel you can touch it with hands, mix all the dry fruits and jaggery properly using your hand. Once everything mixed well from this warm mixture, we will make laddus of any size you prefer. Gently press and shape them round to make a laddus. So that's it. Our winter special energy treat is ready. Every bite has the strength of gond, the health of dry fruit and crunchy goodness of makhana. Perfect for starting your winter morning or as an evening energy snack. Best for both. If you like this recipe, like the video, comment and tell how you liked it. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you can watch the next healthy and tasty recipe. See you in the next video with another amazing recipe. Till then, stay healthy, stay warm.